Hey you guys, before we start this video, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, please. Turn on post notifications on so that every time I post a new video, you all can automatically receive it. Alright, so in today's video, I'm basically showing you all how to separate the hair for small feed-in lemonade braids. Okay, so right now I'm just gathering the hair back up, fixing it back up. You don't necessarily have to stretch the braiding hair out for lemonade braids. Although mine's already looks stretched out. That's just because I gathered it back into the bundle of braiding hair. So right now I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning out for my first feed-in lemonade braid. And so when I first start out to separate, or rather section out the hair for each braid, I start off with the first section extremely small. Okay, so you're feeding in the braids, no knots. So you want the feed-in braids to look as natural as possible. Some people start off their feed-in braids with the client's actual hair and then start feeding them in. And some people start the feed-in braid off with a really, really small section or portion of the hair. So I typically do it either way. It just depends on my client's hair and honestly too what type of mood I'm in to start the braid off, how I feel about it. But just know that the key is to make each braid look fed in and look more natural, okay? So as you can see, and I'm sorry, I'm over here fixing up the camera right now. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going to continue separating the hair for the first feed-in braid. And as I section off the hair, I gradually separate in bigger parts. Okay, so as I section off the hair, the feed-in gradually grows. Okay. So I'm going to continue to separate the hair. And my apologies, you all. I'm still learning how to do this whole voiceover thing and also explain what's going on in my videos. Okay, so just bear with me. So I know last time a couple of people were commenting on my previous videos asking me how many pieces of hair do I use per braid? And the answer is, I don't know. Okay. I've basically, how do you say this? My technique is just, you know what? I really don't know. Like, I'm not even about to sit over here and lie and tell you all, how many pieces or whatever, because I really don't know. It's kind of like an instant thing. Like I just separate the hair and keep it trucking. I mean, now I will tell you, do I use all of the pieces for the hair? No. When do I feel like I don't need to add more hair in? That's to my discretion as well as yours. So if you feel as though your braid is starting to get too bulgy, that means you're adding in too much hair. Or if you can see in your braid where as it's gradually growing and then all of a sudden it starts to go back small, I'm trying to explain this the best way I can. So yeah, I honestly don't know. I just section it off how I section it off, and that's just it. Now, I use the poster board specifically because I've seen a lot of stylists have their clients hold the hair while, the stylist braids. And I just think that's just too much. The client, they come in and they want to relax. They want to feel pampered. You know, they don't want to feel like they're assisting you and you know, doing their hair. So why not go to the dollar store, purchase a poster board, and have the poster board hold the hair for you. You know, it's only $1. I've seen people using the actual braiding hair separation block thing. I don't know what that is. Some people said it was like $25. I don't know, but I'm not paying all that just to separate no hair when I can go right to the dollar store, pay $1, and it works the same exact way, even better. You know, the poster boards, they're high up, they're thin, so when you're done with it, you can fold it up, put it right back in the back. You know, in the back of your mirror or whatever. Like at our salon, we have stand-up mirrors. I put mine behind the trolley though, but that's just, you know, in general, you can fold it up, put it up somewhere. You know, it don't have to be out in the open all over the place, taking up space. You don't have to sit it, you know, on top of your trolley, on top of your dresser, on top of your container. It's all in your way. Like that's just too much. So as you all can see, I've basically sectioned off the braiding hair in 4 braids, 4 feet in braids. So as you all can see in the video, they go from really teeny small to really big. And like I said, I don't always use all the hair for each braid. I guess it's just kind of like eyeballing, you know, and then I'll use the piece or I won't use the piece, but I'll use the piece for the next braid, you know. So that's just it with sectioning the hair. Yeah, so I mean, it just really depends. Like if I was doing bigger feed-ins, then my sections would be bigger. If I be doing smaller feed-ins, you see the sections are really small. I don't count the pieces at all when I section them. Literally, they look, and you know, it's so funny looking at this video. It really looks like the same amount of pieces for each braid. Crazy, right? So I inserted the other portion of my video showing you all again how I feed in the lemonade braids. So again, as the braid grows, you gradually see it getting bigger and bigger. Now, these braids right here are actually called my slim thick lemonade braids, okay? And they're called slim thick lemonades for a reason. I have, on my website, on my booking website, I literally have large, medium, jumbo, about seven different size lemonade braids on my booking website. I have large, medium, jumbo. I have just right lemonade braids, slim thick, small. But it feels like I'm missing something. Well, maybe I only have 6. So I have 6 different size lemonade braids to book on my website. And that's just because so many of my clients, they actually like different size lemonade braids. So I was like, well, hell, I got to figure out how I'm going to accommodate everybody. So that's what I did. So to accommodate everybody, I have 6 different size lemonade braids that you can choose from on my booking website. And so these are actually the slim thick lemonade braids. So at the beginning of the braid, it starts off small, okay? Slim. And as the braid gradually grows towards the middle end, they get thicker. So why not call them slim thick, you know? And that's exactly how they look, like slim thick braids. So, yeah. My client, she really did enjoy this style. And I actually really did enjoy installing them in her hair. Her hair was just so soft, and I don't know, it was really I really did enjoy doing her. Not that I don't enjoy doing my clients' hair, period, but you had those couple of clients where you like, yes, I'm really ready to do her hair. And that's how I was from the moment she sat down. I analyzed her scalp and her hair. And FYI, always, 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 always make sure that you analyze the client's scalp before you go in to service them. Okay? It's very important that you analyze their scalp. You have to make sure that they don't have any type of irritations to the scalp, no open wounds to the scalp, no irritated scalp abrasions, stuff like that. Like, just make sure that everything is good within their scalp and within their hair. Make sure their hair is clean. Make sure their hair is free of products. I always like to tell my clients already come shampooed, deep conditioned, detangled fully, and blow dried fully straight. Okay? From roots to ends. Majority of my clients are natural, 100% natural. I do not service freshly relaxed clients. I don't know who keeps telling people to get their hair relaxed before braids, but on this side of town, that's a no-go. I do not service clients with freshly relaxed hair. If I don't feel new growth, you're very limited on what I can service you with, and I mean that. I just don't think relaxers and braids mix well. Now, if you want to do 2 braids, fine, whatever, but all that extra stuff, and then especially for like small braids like that, I just think it's too much. Like, braids are made specifically for natural hair, and it's unfortunate that we have people out here that make clients feel as though they're too natural, or oops, my poster board fell. So the great thing about the poster board falling is it's so lightweight, you could just pick it back up, keep it moving, So anyway, yeah. Sorry, I got way off track from this video, but I know you all are still watching. So yeah, I just wanted to throw some key pointers out there to everyone, So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all enjoy my channel, period. And I thank you all for watching and subscribing and commenting how you all feel. Constructive criticism is everything. It means a lot. I appreciate you all. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Like up my videos. Comment down below what other videos you would like for me to see. Tell your friends to tell their friends to tell all their friends to come subscribe to my channel. And I really do hope that I did this voiceover good, I guess. So yeah, thank you all so much again. Mwah. And I will see you at my next video. Oh, and before I forget, I'm almost at 500 subscribers. Yes, subscribe. I will be posting a video soon. Thanking you all so much for helping me reach 500 subscribers. You all don't know how excited I am to be on this YouTube thing, duking it out. So thank you so much. Love you all so much. See you next go round.